Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the Amrita Hospital in Faridabad district in Haryana. Managed by Mata Amrita Nandamayi Mart, the super speciality hospital will be equipped with 2,600 beds. The hospital, which is being constructed at an estimated cost of around rupees 6,000 crore, will provide state-of-the-art healthcare facilities and treatment to patients. Later, he also inaugurated Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital and Research Centre at New Chandigarh in Punjab's Mohali. Speaking on the occasion, the Prime Minister said that with these modern medical infrastructure, cancer patients would get a much better treatment at affordable cost.
आज होमी भाभा कैंसर अस्पताल और रिसर्च सेंटर के तौर पर भी देश को एक आधुनिक अस्पताल मिला है। इस आधुनिक सुविधा के निर्माण में केंद्र सरकार के टाटा मेमोरियल सेंटर ने महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है।